For the past 200 days I have been trying YouTube Shorts. My goal was to monetize my channel and reach 500,000 subscribers today. After 200 days the channel has crushed my goals and now sits at over 600,000 subscribers and is fully monetized. My channel has averaged over 1 million views per day and consistently averages over $750 per month. In this video I will share with you the strategies I use to get to these numbers. Apply the strategies I use to your channel and you will notice a huge increase in both views and subscribers. Also keep on watching until the end to see my full 200-day results. Let's start it all off with strategy 1. Strategy 1. Staying consistent. Consistency is by far one of the most important strategies to becoming successful with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts views mainly come from uploading frequently, and the more you post the more views you get as long as your audience is satisfied with your content. Posting a lot works to an extent, however, you should not be posting too much. Either keep on watching and I will tell you how many times I posted per day and what amounts that work the best. Last year I had another channel where I posted and I was staying consistent for a while, which resulted in a great amount of views. Later on I didn't have time for the channel and I stopped uploading, which killed off the channel completely. So for my current channel I used my previously learned knowledge to succeed with YouTube Shorts. So now to answer what many of you have been waiting for: how many times should you be posting per week or day? The answer to this question can vary. However, a good rule of thumb is to post at least 4 times a week in the beginning, with the best amount being 1 to 3 times per day. After a while you will start getting some consistent views and you can start focusing more on quality and at the same time post less frequently. I would recommend posting at least 3 times a week after your channel has gained a lot of momentum, with 5 to 7 times per week being the best strategy. 2. Analyze YouTube. Strategy 2. Analytics. One of the most valuable tools at your disposal as a YouTube creator is the in-depth analytics provided by the platform. By diving into your YouTube analytics you can uncover essential information about your audience, watch time and engagement levels. Pay close attention to metrics such as average view duration, click-through rate, and audience retention. These metrics offer insights into how well your videos are resonating with your viewers and can guide you in making content improvements. Identifying patterns in your analytics, such as peak viewing times or popular video topics, can help you optimize your content schedule and tailor your future videos to align with your audience's preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment and test different approaches based on the data you gather. Continuously monitoring and analyzing your YouTube analytics will enable you to make informed decisions and refine your content strategy for better results. By analyzing your videos and checking what you did wrong and right, you can learn from your mistakes. I found that the most important metrics by far are swipe ratio and average view duration, which we will dive deeper into later in this video. Strategy 3. Follow. Strategy 3. Trends and observe others. Staying up to date with trends is crucial for gaining visibility and attracting a wider audience. Keep an eye on trending topics, hashtags, and popular video styles within your niche. Incorporating these trends into your YouTube Shorts can significantly boost your chances of reaching a larger viewership. Actively observe successful creators in your field and take note of the techniques, styles, and formats that work well for them. Adapt these strategies to suit your content and brand while still adding your unique touch. Remember to strike a balance between following trends and maintaining your authenticity. It's essential to incorporate trends in a way that aligns with your channel's identity and resonates with your target audience. Moving on to strategy for the 4th. Strategy 4. Strategy emphasizes creating engaging and high-quality videos with the short attention spans of viewers. It's essential to captivate their interest right from the start. Remember, quality content will help you stand out amongst the vast sea of YouTube Shorts. Grabbing viewers' attention within the first few seconds is crucial for YouTube Short success. Use intriguing titles and start your videos with a hook that causes curiosity. You want to captivate viewers and make them watch until the end. I will share some tips and techniques to make your videos visually appealing, engaging, and memorable. Step 1 is to experiment with different visual effects and editing styles to create visually engaging and dynamic shorts. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and use a lot of creativity. Pay attention to audio quality and use music, sound effects, or voiceovers that enhance the overall viewer experience. Crisp and clear audio can significantly elevate the quality of your videos. Continuously evaluate and improve your content based on viewer feedback. Encourage viewers to leave comments, ask questions, and engage with your shorts. This feedback can provide valuable insights into what resonates with your audience and help you refine your future Content to better meet their expectations. Your first 3 seconds must really engage the viewer and not cause them to swipe away. Achieve this by adding a visual hook or saying a statement that causes the viewer to stay for the entire video. By implementing these steps, you can drastically increase your average view duration as well as your swipe ratio. For me, most of my viral videos had a swipe ratio of over 70% and an average view duration of 70-80%. Moving on to the results, I started results posting on the 3rd of September last year. On the first day I got 500 views. I was posting between 2 to 4 shorts per day. During this period here I had a video blow up to 9,000 views. And then the day after I managed to reach 100,000 views in a day. This was followed by 2 bigger peaks of 300,000 views and 400,000 views. In this period I was getting around 50,000 to 100,000 views a day. Here I got 200,000 views, which then was followed by a decline to less than 40,000 views. During this period I was scared my channel would die off. However, that quickly changed when 2 of my videos started being picked up by the algorithm. I blew up to a peak of 2 million views in a single day. Then my views dropped to around 200,000 views. The drop was followed by an increase to 800,000 views per day. I then managed to hit a new peak of 6 million views. After that I got about 1 to 2 million views per day, which later dropped to 500,000 views. Here I got 3 bigger spikes that got around 2 to 3 million views at their peaks. Starting on the 15th of March, my channel was for 1.5 months very dead and didn't even reach above 1 million views per day. However, after this period my channel had its biggest peak yet, sitting at over 4 million views in a day. The spike quickly dropped off, but for the entire month of May I haven't gotten below 1 million views per day. If we now take a look at subscribers, we can see that I have gained on average over 2,000 subscribers per day. On 3 occasions I have gotten above 11,000 subscribers a day. Now it's time to look into the revenue data. I didn't start making any money before the month of November. I gained the money in form of a shorts bonus because the YouTube Shorts monetization was not accessible before the 1st of February. In November I weighed a total of $500, followed by almost $1,000 in December. In January I made $700. As you can see here, I got accepted into the YouTube Shorts Partner Program on February the 1st. On my first day of the new Shorts revenue system I made $24, followed by an average of around $40 per day. In the month of February I made $1,000, and here is my daily analytic chart for that month. Moving on to March. In March I made $670 with the highest paying day being at 75. In April my revenue dropped to 400 and the highest paying day was at around $20. Seeing my revenue this low was very demotivating, but I didn't give up. As a result of not giving up, the month of May became my highest paying month. Here's my Shorts RPM. Here are some other analytics such as my likes and swipe ratio. As you guys can see, my swipe ratio is around 70%, which is the ideal percentage to go viral. I have also posted quite a lot of community posts to keep my audience alive. I've posted 1 community post every 2 to 3 days, which has resulted in a total of 18 million impressions, 200,000 likes, and 6,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I